Hey guys, thanks for joining me here. So today I'm going to be unboxing and giving a kind of review and look at this laptop or desktop computer stand. Now this stand is going about $40 on Amazon and it has almost 600 reviews, and it's actually an adjustable one. So if you see on the picture here, your computer sits on the top, you can adjust the angle and the height as well. So let's get into the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so I was gonna grab my knife, but I don't think there is any tape, so kind of interesting. Pretty cheap box here. Let's get this out. I did get the space gray, which was a little bit more expensive, instead of just the overall silver. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, let's get it out of the bag. Okay, pretty thick. Probably just over an 1/8 inch thick of metal for the whole thing. And let's pull it apart here. Oh wow, that takes a lot of effort. Yeah, that's not gonna it's not gonna be falling on you anytime. Okay, so it would go like this. You would adjust your, oh my gosh. Okay, I wonder if you can adjust that. No, it doesn't look like it. Wow, so at least any heavy computer is not gonna be falling on this thing. It is tough. I mean, crazy. Okay, so you adjust the angle like that, and then you just push down to do your height. Mine's probably going to be something like that. It's going to go next to my monitor, so they're both kind of side by side. So let's get my computer out and I will test it here, see how it fits and all that. So first thing I notice is the color. It's not a full space gray. It seems to be a little bit bluer, so not exactly the same color, but definitely matches better than a silver one. And if you can see, the size right here doesn't quite fit. So it's probably 3/4 of an inch longer. But if you see, width here works fine. You have plenty of ventilation and all that. Plus these things stick up a little bit more, so it would fit any bigger PC or the older Macs or stuff like that. So yes, I do really like how you can adjust it different ways and different stuff like that. How you can kind of, bend it down, get more of like a shot like that. So say you're gonna still type something like that, type from the side like this, or you can pull that up. I don't want to drop my computer. And go ahead and just lower the whole thing, tilt it back, and it can just be a lower writing like that, and use your keyboard, because I have an external keyboard I'll be using. So I mean, honestly, I'm actually very surprised with how tough it is. I saw a couple reviews on there saying that it was very hard to move, but I like that because you get it set. Sure, it takes a little bit of effort, but you're not going to be worrying about it slowly drifting down over time, or a heavy computer pushing it down, not staying up. So I do like that. We also have rubber all over it, so it's nice. You're not scratching the bottom of your computer or scratching this. Rubber here and then rubber there, and also rubber on the very bottom. So if you have a nice wood top or something you don't want to scratch, that's definitely something good. Pretty basic design. I mean, you have a logo right here on the bottom there, hole cut out for ventilation, your 4 hinges, and overall that's it. I mean, it's fairly heavy, but it's aluminum, so not super heavy. And I think I like the design, so I will be putting this next to my monitor, kind of get it centered with the screen so they're kind of side by side. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So I like this. I'll have the link down in the description along with any other things I talked about. And I'll see you back in another video. Before I stop this video though, I wanted to bring up something. If you guys want to help support my channel, I'll have a link down there that says help support my channel. It's called Becoming a Patron. And you can pay a couple dollars a month, $25 a month. That's crazy. You don't have to do that. But you get different things with each tier that you pick. So you get to get voting power if you get the top one, the name in the credits, you get early access, you get all these different cool things, personalized videos and stuff like that directly to you. So make sure you go check out that link and help support my channel if you do like my channel. And of course, make sure you subscribe and like this video.